Most customers never see your competitors when your name appears inside Google or Bing's autocomplete suggestions. They type a few letters, tap your name, and the results page loads content about you only, eliminating competing options. This positions your business as the default choice before the search even begins. The system builds authority signals around high-value keywords until search engines start auto-suggesting your business. Works for repair, installation, emergency calls, seasonal service, and any profit-driving keyword you choose. Captures the highest intent buyers at the exact moment they're ready to call. You only pay when someone actually clicks your autocomplete suggestion. Autocomplete traffic converts at a higher rate because customers choose you first and skip comparison shopping. Get a complimentary keyword scan to see which autocomplete spots your business can dominate in the next 30-60 days. Visit automagicmedia.com.